So the next exercise that we got, you're going to use the same weight or kettlebell, and it's going to be an overhead tricep extension. So now we know that it bends the arm, and then you can extend the arm as well. The reason why I wanted to come up into this position, because the arm stretches back. And when the muscle gets a stretch and you straighten it, you get more work done. Therefore, the quality of the exercise is much better, okay? So that's a little bit of a quick tip for you. You're going to grab the kettlebell, take your arms up, drop it behind your head, and extend straight back up. Behind your head, straight back up. Behind your head, and straight back up. Now, if you've got sore shoulders, or maybe you can't get the flexibility, what you can do is, if you've got a bench anyway, I'll get you a bench, is you can slightly elevate, if you've got access to a bench, of course, you can sit in the back of a chair and do this as well. If you can elevate this up just a little bit, and what you're going to find is, it puts you in a better position, okay? And you can take it behind the bench, and you can extend it back up. Take it behind and extend it back up.